Want to add a song to a regular feed post on your Instagram, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add music to feed posts on Instagram. Now let's get started. To add music to an Instagram feed post, begin creating a feed post as you normally would. This can be a single photo or video, or a carousel post with multiple images. When you get to the posting stage, tap Add Music. Now you can browse suggested songs or search for something specific using the search bar. Tap the play button beside a song title to hear a preview of a track. Tap a song to add it to your post. By default, the song clip will be 30 seconds long, but you can make it anywhere up to 90 seconds. Then use the slider to select which part of the song you want to have play over your post. Your selected clip will play in a loop. Tap Done to save. Configure your post how you'd like. Then tap Share to post it. When people view your post, they will hear the song clip you've selected and can see the song details at the top of your post. That's all it takes to add music to an Instagram feed post. Did you know you can share what you're listening to on Spotify through Instagram Notes? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.